Hello guys. We are looking now improve performance for managing large assemblies. Managing large assemblies in V5 is a tricky process. Even with high-end PC, working with large assemblies often leads to V5 crashes. In this article, we will give you some important optimization tips when you deal with large assemblies. First method is cache system. Activating cache improves performance of your system drastically. When this mode is activated, V5 loads all the parts in assembly in visualization mode. Visualization mode doesn't load entire part with history. Hence it's much lighter on system memory than parts in design mode. How to activate cache system? Go to Tools Options. In the Options list, select Product Infrastructure under Infrastructure. Check Work with Cache System box in Cache Activation. Set desired path for cache director. Set maximum size of the cache directory depending on available free space. Click OK. Restart V5. Load assembly in V5.6 if you want a part in editing mode, right-click on the part representations design mode. Our second method is CGR Management. You can optimize CGR format files for large assemblies to optimize it. Go to Tools. Options. Select Product Structure Options in the left pane. Click on CGR Management tab. Check Optimize CGR for large assembly visualization. Third method is changing display options. By tweaking some display settings, performance can be improved to a great extent. Go to Tools. Option. General. Display. Performance. Disable occlusion culling by unchecking occlusion culling enabled. Change 3D accuracy value e.g. 0.20. If we increasing value increases performance. Change level of detail and change pixel culling level while moving. In this also if we increasing value increases performance. Our last fourth method is reduce stack size. Stack size is the number of undo which is allotted for a V5 session. Reducing this size increases the memory capacity and hence increases performance. To reduce stack size, go to Tools. Options. Select General tab in the left pane. Click on PCS tab and reduce the stack size value. Performing all the above given settings should improve your system's performance. You might less often see the CATIA termination error. Thanks for watching video and for more video subscribe to my channel.